Hey there, welcome back to MLM Income Learning Network, your space for real strategies, real stories, and real growth in network marketing. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell because every week we share tips that help you grow your business the right way with heart, integrity, and purpose. Now, here's a question for you. What does community mean to you in business? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'd love to read your thoughts. Today, I'm sharing 6 key ingredients for building a community toward business success. The exact principle that turn customers into family and teammates into lifelong friends. Let's get started. Number 1, shared purpose. Why are we here? Every thriving community starts with one thing: purpose. Your why is what unites people. In network marketing, that purpose might be creating time freedom, empowering others to grow, or simply helping families live better. So ask yourself and your team, why are we here? Because when people connect to a shared mission, they don't just join, they belong. Type in the chat right now, what's your why in business? Let's see how many powerful reasons we can collect below this video. Number 2, trust. The foundation of every relationship. Ingredient number 2 is trust. You can't build a community if people can't depend on you. Be consistent. Keep your promises. Celebrate wins. Show up for your people even when it's inconvenient. Remember, people don't follow perfection, they follow authenticity. It's okay to say, I don't have all the answers, but I'm here to figure it out with you. In the comments, write one way you build trust with your customers or your team. Number 3, connection beyond the sale. Now let's talk about connection. This is where you go from selling to serving. It's not about pushing products. It's about building relationships. Send genuine check-ins. Celebrate birthdays. Ask how your teammates are really doing. When people feel seen, they become loyal. When they feel valued, they become leaders. Quick question, guys. Who's that one person in your business who always makes everyone feel welcome? Tag them in the comments and let's give them a little love today. Number 4, communication. Keep the fire alive. Ingredient number 4, of course, is communication. A silent leader creates a sleeping team. Stay in touch. Share updates. Check in even when there's nothing to announce. The more you communicate, the more your team feels like a family. Weekly calls, group chats, voice notes, even short motivational messages matter. Drop a fire emoji in the chat if you agree that communication keeps your team energy alive. Number 5, recognition. Everyone wants to feel seen. Recognition might just be the most underrated ingredient of all because Everybody, yes, everybody wants to feel seen. It's not just about trophies or titles. It's about a simple, "You did great this week," or "I'm proud of your efforts." Recognition builds self-worth, and self-worth builds confidence. And confident people become community leaders. Let's do this. If someone in your team inspired you recently, mention their name in the comments and tell them thank you. Let's spread a little gratitude right now. Number 6, shared growth. Learning and winning together. The final ingredient is shared growth. Great leaders don't grow alone. They take their community with them. Host mini trainings, share what's working, encourage others to teach, not just listen. When everyone contributes, you build ownership, and that's what keeps a team alive. Remember this: when one person grows, the whole community wins. Quick reflection. What's one skill you've learned recently that could help someone else? Share it below. Someone out there needs that knowledge. So there you have it. Your 6 key ingredients for building a powerful community that drives real business success. Purpose, trust, connection, communication, recognition, and shared growth. They aren't just business tips, they are life principles. Because when you build people, people will build your business. I'd love to know, which of these 6 ingredients will you start focusing on this week? Comment your answer below. Don't forget to like this video, share to someone who needs it, subscribe to MLM Income Learning Network, and hit that bell icon for more weekly insights that help you grow with heart, purpose, and strategy. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, people build businesses, but communities build legacies.